Alright, well, I decided to take a little cruise around the neighborhood using my trail lights. So you can see my lights right here, and then those are just my regular lights. So those are my Flexera 4s that are on my bumper, and then these are my Flexera 3s that are on my A-pillar. So we're going to use those and go see if anybody's needing some help and see how bad these roads are. Should be interesting. But Jennifer didn't want me to go. I don't know why. It's too easy. But you can see the snow's still coming down. We got about 8 inches right now, and they're saying probably 3 more inches, so it's a good little bit. This is the same hill, coming up to the same hill that we went down earlier today. There's probably gonna be a lot of people down there, so we'll see if there's anybody down there that needs any help getting back to their house. I don't suppose that we'll be seeing a lot of people on the road, but we'll see. You can see that these roads are completely covered now. Earlier today, there was some ruts where people were driving that were actually a little bit more slush than anything, but now you can see that they are definitely just snow-covered roads. So it looks like there may have been couple people that were able to get out of here today, but still got some people down here. Oh yeah, getting quite a few. These cars will be down here for probably 3 days until we can get some warmer weather that'll melt these things, because it's not going to happen anytime soon. Got some really cold weather coming in, so we'll go over here to the main road and we'll check it out. So not too bad. It's not for the Gladiator anyway. Someone's up back with their lights on. Driveway's getting to the point where I don't even have enough room to put any snow anymore. So I don't think we have to worry about anybody coming, so we're not going to worry about this red light. Yeah, a lot different than this afternoon. Actually sounds like some freezing rain on the windshield now. So trying to put my glasses on. You're wondering why I'm all over the road. That's going to be problematic if it's sleeting. If we get the sleet in here, it is going to be bad. So hopefully we don't. Yeah, these roads are pretty much down to one lane now. The right lane is pretty full of snow. I don't think anybody's really using it. Yeah, we've seen a lot of that, a lot of four-wheelers, stuff like that going on. So probably the only way you're getting around right now at this point is driving really slow. If you have four-wheel drive, oh, there's a cop. Or if you got a side-by-side or an ATV, yeah, the sleet's not going to be great. Microphone on the video camera during the day worked pretty good, worked really good, so I was really happy about that. There we got another guy in the shoulder. He's been there for a while. He's got a bunch of snow on there. Definitely some sleet. Not great. For the weather conditions, I'm actually surprised at how many people are out on the road. Dumbasses. And yes, I realize I am on the road. My wife already called me a dumbass, so that's all right. I really hope this sleet does not last too long and it turns back to snow. Right lane is completely covered. I guess I won't be using that until they plow it. I'm still surprised at how many people are out here. Huh. here. That's good news. And then more salt. This ain't bad right here. Alright, well, I'm going to let you go until we get on more kind of difficult type stuff. So we'll see.